day that I died was also the day that I started to live. If there had been an obituary, it would have described an unremarkable life of an unremarkable woman survived by no one. But there was no obituary because the day that I died was also the day that I started to live. But that comes later. This was my life. Days blended in together. Constant ordinary. Thanks to a job that was the practical version of my passion. I was supposed to be an artist by now. Instead, I was designing ads for beauty cream. But the day that I died was also the day that I started to live. In my old life, all I wanted was for someone to see what's special in me. And you did. And for that, I will always have a place for you in my heart. But what I needed the most was for me to see it within myself. And now I do. You're a good guy, Tom. But the world you live in has no place for someone like me. Because you see, sometimes I'm good. And I'm so good. But sometimes I'm bad. Only as bad as I want to be. Freedom is power. To live a life untamed, unafraid. That's the gift I have been given. And so, my journey